Hey everyone, welcome back. Just downloaded Chime or got logged out on a new phone? Here is exactly how to log in step by step. Takes about 20 seconds. First, go ahead and download the Chime app from the App Store if you haven't already. Search for Chime Mobile Banking and then tap Get to install it. Once installed, open the app and then on the first screen, tap Login. Enter the email address your Chime account is registered with. Then, once you enter the email address, tap Next, and on the password screen, you'll have to enter your password and then log in. Chime will send a verification code to your registered phone number or email for security. Go to your messages or inbox, find the code, and then come back to the app and enter it. After entering the correct code, you are fully logged in. Your balance, transactions history, and Chime card will all be there. If Face ID is enabled in your phone, next time you can skip typing your email and password completely. Just open the Chime app and then look at your phone. So all you gotta do is download Chime, open it, tap login, enter email and password, enter the verification code, you're in. Set up Face ID for faster login next time, and that's it. Subscribe.